Hello everyone and welcome to this guide where we'll be showing you how to use Monzo for budgeting and saving. Now Monzo offers a range of features to help you manage your money effectively, primarily through its pot system and smart budgeting tools. When it comes to saving, you can utilize Monzo pots for specific saving goals. So first, create pots. Separate your money by creating multiple pots within the app for different purposes. This could be for holidays, emergencies, or car repairs. Then you can set targets by assigning specific saving targets for each pot and track your progress towards them directly within the app. Automate savings. Schedule transfers by setting up recurring transfers. And you have the roundups feature, which is a feature to automatically save spare change from your everyday transactions by rounding up payment to the nearest pound and depositing the difference into a chosen pot. Now, when it comes to budgeting, you can leverage smart budgeting tools. Use real-time spending notifications to get instant alerts for every transaction, helping you stay aware of your spending habits. Then you can also categorize spending. Now, Monzo automatically categorizes your transactions, giving you a clear overview of where your money is going. Then you can set spending limits. Now, you could do this by establishing monthly limits for different spending categories to help you stick to your budget and manage your habits. Then, of course, track your habits. Use the app's insight to understand your spending patterns and identify areas where you can save more. By effectively using pots for targeted savings and leveraging Monzo's budgeting tools, you can gain control over your finances. So this is how to use Monzo for budgeting and saving. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.